Hey, it's Sarah with Loaves and Dishes, and in today's video, I am going to be showing you how to make a copycat recipe. This is Cava's Greek dressing. So I discovered Cava personally for myself a couple of months ago, and I have been obsessed with it. I love getting a bowl, okay, and like mixing these dressings in, and this is so good. And the Greek dressing is my favorite. And Cava is a little expensive, and so I love this dressing so much, I wanted to make it at home, and it turns out it's really, really simple to make. And so I thought I'd share with you all how to make it. So it's some red wine vinegar, lemon juice, Dijon mustard, dried oregano, salt, and a little garlic. And then you blend it all together, and then you emulsify it with some oil. It's a pretty basic dressing recipe. And as I said, it was super easy to make at home. It's delicious. You can put it on a ton of stuff. You could use it as a marinade. You could put it on a salad. You could put it in like a rice bowl. There's so many things that you can do with it, and it's super easy to make, and it keeps well in the fridge. It'll keep in your fridge for about a week. But yeah, it was so easy to make. It's delicious. I love this dressing. And let me know in the comments if you try it out. Okay, that's it for now. I will see you in the next one. Bye.